It is another crowning achievement for the Texas Medical Center, the largest medical complex in the world, where a global leader will introduce the patient care technologies of tomorrow.
This is a tremendous opportunity both for Texas Medical Center institutions as well as for Panasonic Healthcare.
Panasonic Healthcare, a newly formed subsidiary of the global consumer electronics giant, will collaborate with the Texas Medical Center and Fairway Medical Technologies of Houston to introduce new technologies for early detection of heart disease, cancer, and home health care, creating the potential for Houston and the Texas Medical Center to become the global hub for Panasonic Healthcare.
Panasonic can roll out innovation and research, and they know that by bringing it to Texas Medical Center, they'll have the ability to have these ideas tested by the best scientists, the best physicians, and the 49 institutions that call the Texas Medical Center their home.
With this collaboration, the Texas Medical Center, home of the world's most famous heart surgeon, the late Dr. Michael DeBakey, is now well positioned to lead the world in this emerging field of preventive, personalized medicine.
You know, we have concentrated in this one area over 16,000 MDs, PhDs, researchers, and people who have advanced degrees in the life science area. That represents the largest concentration of intellectual capital that's been put in one place at any time in the history of the world, all focused in the life science area.
At a Panasonic Healthcare Day hosted by BioHouston and Fairway Medical Technologies, Joe Taylor, Chairman and CEO of Panasonic Corporation of North America, enthusiastically embraced Panasonic's new collaborative relationship with the Texas Medical Center.
The collaboration makes a lot of sense to me here in Houston. The academic resources available at University of Houston, Rice, and other organizations in the medical center, as well as the medical resources, are just amazing.
Certainly, we have a strong interest in our educational institutions, the University of Houston and Rice, for example, in the areas of biomedical engineering and in other areas of engineering that directly relate to the type of products that Panasonic will be looking at in the healthcare area.
Well, it's very exciting to be involved in this kind of activity with Fairway.
Fairway Medical Technologies is well positioned to attract investment for the commercialization of these technologies, which will certainly result in the creation of new jobs and business opportunities.
I have been involved in medical device commercialization in Houston for the last 15 years, with Fairway as its chairman, with the Houston Technology Center, with BioHouston, and with the Houston Angel Network, and seeing many different commercialization opportunities that some that came to fruition and some that didn't. And I will tell you, this one outranks all others in importance to bring a global leader such as Panasonic to Houston.
Led by an experienced management team, Fairway's portfolio companies have received over $15 million in grants from the National Institute of Health and the Texas Emerging Technology Fund. In fact, 3 of Fairway's portfolio companies have secured FDA approval. The opportunity for investors is unprecedented. The time is right.
Having Panasonic as one of the world's largest electronic manufacturer and technology provider in Texas Medical Center, aiming at preventive healthcare, cardiovascular, cancer, and other areas, it's a great opportunity, and we'll look forward to working with them.
Panasonic Healthcare and Fairway Medical Technologies, a collaboration destined for success.